Hi guys, today we're going to show you the quick and easy way to cook chop suey. Here's what we need. 1 stalk celery sliced, 1 whole cabbage sliced, 2 medium-sized bell peppers sliced, 2 pieces carrot sliced, 1 clove garlic crushed, 1 medium-sized white onion chopped, 1 sayote sliced, or chayote in Spanish, or Toyota, Choco, Chocho, Chow Chow, Christophine, Merliton, vegetable pear in English. $500 grams medium-sized shrimps peeled, and ang putok-batok Lechon Kawali. Let's start cooking. Saute the garlic and onion in a preheated pan with cooking oil. Add shrimps, carrots, and sayote, and stir for 1 minute. Stir in the oyster sauce and mix. Put the bell pepper, and celery, stir and put ginisa mix for additional taste. And pour the diluted cornstarch. Mix well and add the cabbage. Simmer for a few minutes. And voila! Enjoy!